Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to day 5 of Artist Trading Card a Day 2020. So back at my desk here, and once again painting magazine pages from my stash and some magazine images. This purging has been really great for me because it's making me use up my stash, which yeah, making me make those hard decisions to keep it or to let it go. So, yeah. So I hope you guys are all doing well. This has been a fun challenge for me. I think because I don't give myself too much time to overthink things, and I'm just trying to use up what I have really close at hand. So I've decided that painting magazine page was used with one of those pieces of plastic canvas, and I'm using some, you know how much I love the eyes and things like that. So I've decided I wanted to use some of the faces that I've saved in my stash. So I think right now, just giving myself a little art break in the middle of my purging and in the middle of my uh, cleaning and reorganizing my craft space. It's a good way to break up the day, and it gives me something to look forward to. I've gotten myself knee deep in the calamari and the KonMari method, and it's getting a little much. So I found a great little sentence or portion of a sentence, and I'm outlining it in some watercolor pencils, and then I paint it, and then I realize I want to blot it, and when I do, it all smears, and you know, you see it real life right there. So then I'm like, not a good idea. So I'm gonna re-glue it down and begin again. But I found this really cool little sentiment that says, "Let us hope." And I think hope right now is something we all really need to focus on. The positive. Hope, love, compassion, kindness, forgiveness of ourselves. You know, for me, that's where my head is lately. And just figuring out how can I make a difference right where I am. So I'm holding the space of hope for all of us, for all of you, for myself. And I hope you guys find a minute in the day to make a little bit of art, to art it out. And until next time, as always, from my heart to your heart, I'm sending you so, so, so much aloha. Take good care of yourselves. Bye for now.